I vividly remember it was April 2014. While working on an academic project, we realized that most of the teachers in our country, India, and also abroad, even well qualified, lacked the rudimentary skills to teach and engage effectively with students in a classroom.
And it reflected in the quality of students our educational institutions produced. Something had to change. There was a discernible gap in what the teachers knew and what they taught. And someone had to stand up and say, I'll bridge the gap. We at Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences decided, why not us?
So we started identifying schools and colleges near our institute and began offering teacher training programs, absolutely free of cost. We already had a team that understood both the key areas where the skills of educators in our system were to be enhanced and the methods by which it could be done. So after a basic survey, we started engaging extensively in community outreach programs for teachers that aimed at capacity building training.
The idea behind the teachers training program was to keep the educators updated with evidence-based contemporary best practices that would help them efficiently trickle down the knowledge and the skills to the students.
It started small actually. We only had a small number of participants in the first few sessions, and that too mostly from institutes near our campus. But then it showed an uptick. Soon we started getting requests for training from heads of educational institutions, not just from other parts of India, but from across the world.
So we had to shift gears. We became a bigger team with the aim to train more and more teachers. Our trainers, literally and figuratively, reached out to educators in each and every state of India. Hundreds and hundreds of teachers were trained each month.
We also increased the frequency of our programs abroad, especially in the select few countries which we felt were in dire and urgent need of such training programs. Today, we have expanded our reach to educators, principals, and career counselors across the globe, impacting over 40,000 plus participants. We have reached out to more than 700 international schools, particularly from the lower and middle income countries like Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Kenya, and Oman. The feedback of educators from across the globe has kept us motivated to keep marching on. We modeled our training programs as per the UN SDG 4, which aims to ensure an equitable quality education for all. Our teachers training programs are conducted to empower teachers with skill enhancement techniques.
The emphasis is on interdisciplinary aspects to equip the teachers with professional competencies and emotional intelligence, and to provide them a collaborative learning environment. Seeing the results in their classrooms, these teachers often come back to us asking for more courses.
But then, there came a setback. When the coronavirus pandemic struck, we found ourselves in a very tricky situation. Suddenly, all the physical learning mechanisms stopped. Our TTP stopped too. The teachers themselves couldn't go to the classes, and an online system was hurriedly introduced, to which most of them were new too. It was not an easy task to adapt.
There was an enormous pressure upon them. Suddenly, teachers found themselves in a situation where they had to deal with both parents and students through a virtual medium.
We recognized the unprecedented challenges teachers faced and quickly designed a course to help them in dealing with the problems of imparting education through virtual medium. So far, we have conducted dozens of online sessions, covering more than 25,000 teachers from across the globe. It has been a huge success.
Our efforts have led to many systematic and institutionalized changes in the education system of India, with many foreign educational boards also replicating our suggested methods of pedagogy. We have been able to transform the system, and with our ever-expanding team, we continue to make meaningful difference.